Hey guys, in this video we'll be showing you today how to take off a BMW M5 bumper, but it's a 5 Series car that a M style bumper was added to it. So in the bottom there's nothing holding it at all because the engine liner cannot reach at the bottom to connect to the bumper in the bottom, but everything on the side and the top is there. You just pop off the two plastic pieces on top there to access the screws that are in the bottom there, and there are Torx screws that are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when we come to the driver's side, there is 1, 2, 3, 8 screws that is holding the side of the bumper. So you just have to get an 8 socket to access the one on top, and you just turn the wheel all the way to the right if you don't want to have the wheel removed, so your hands can easily go in there and access the screws that are there. So he's taking out the one on top there, and that's going to release the bumper there. Then there's the one in the middle and the one in the bottom. When you go to the other side, there's a clip in the bottom, a screw in the middle, and a screw on top. So he's just going to access the one on top, and this time we turn the wheel all the way to the left so we can access the right side of the bumper. So he's just going to take off the screw on top, the one in the middle, and then he's going to access the clip at the bottom. Usually there would be another 8 screw there, but because for some reason that I don't know, there's a clip and 2 other small star point screw that is holding the bumper there at the bottom. Right there, one more screw there. Look at the hole there. Now that he have removed almost all the screws, to get the bumper off, you'll have to remove the plate because that would not allow the bumper to come off. There is another Torx screw in the back there that needs to be removed before the license plate holder can come out, and as soon as that comes out there, the bumper can easily be taken off. But remember, behind of the bumper there are other stuff that needs to be taken out, which is the fog light needs to be disconnected, and so the wiring harness. That is the wiring harness there. So if you press the two sides of that clip that's holding it together, it's gonna easily pop off there and be taken apart. Then there is the fog light that's connected there, and so is the other side, needs to be disconnected. And there you go, our bumper is all off. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.